5 colleges in Ontario to consider an international student. Most of these colleges are top-notch, but the only downside is they require first-semester tuition to accept your seat and issuance of provincial attestation letter. Ontario is known for its top-notch education system, and its college institutions are no exception. For international students looking to pursue technical and hands-on education, Ontario offers some of the best colleges in Canada. One of the top colleges in Ontario for international students is Sheridan College. With a strong focus on applied learning and industry partnerships, Sheridan offers programs in areas such as animation, business, and engineering. Another excellent option for international students is Humber College. Known for its diverse student population and innovative programs, Humber provides a supportive environment for students to thrive. Centennial College is also a popular choice for international students seeking practical education. With campuses across Toronto, Centennial offers programs in fields such as health sciences, engineering technology, and business. Fanshawe College in London, Ontario is another top polytechnic institution known for its strong ties to industry and hands-on learning opportunities. Finally, Seneca College rounds out the list of the best polytechnics in Ontario for international students. With a wide range of programs available at multiple campuses throughout the Greater Toronto Area, Seneca provides a comprehensive education experience for students from around the world. In conclusion, Ontario's polytechnic institutions offer a high-quality education experience for international students seeking technical skills and hands-on learning opportunities. Whether you choose Sheridan College, Humber College, Centennial College, Fanshawe College, or Seneca College, you can be sure that you will receive an excellent education that will prepare you for success in your chosen field. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.